Astronomical start of the season for the Northern Hemisphere. You guys should get paid extra just for all the big words you have to say.
Well, that's what science is all about, Scott. Those big words, but you know what we as meteorologists do? We break down the big concepts and deliver them so that everyone can understand it, because science should be something that everybody can access, right? There should be no limits to accessibility. So basically, as Scott said, the fancy words mean that we're going to have the longest day of the year because the Earth is tilted slightly, 23.4 degrees. So the Northern Hemisphere is now maximum tilt towards the sun on Sunday at exactly 4:24. That is the summer solstice. And you know what else it is? Perfect time for tomato eating. I love tomato season, and it's coming as we get further into this upcoming June and July. August is really prime time tomato season. So we've got a lot of great things to look forward to. Tomatoes, of course, but also Father's Day on Sunday, first day of summer, and continued Juneteenth celebrations. And this weekend's very important for outdoor activities. So luckily, Mother Nature is cooperating, and we have some really good weather on tap for both Saturday and Sunday. Here's a live view of Williamsport. We had some pretty gusty winds today out in central Pennsylvania. They'll be gusty again tomorrow, but now they're starting to die back. Wind south-southwest right now at 5, with humidity actually a bit up, and that happens throughout the overnights because temperatures are dropping closer to the dew point. So when the dew point and the temperature are closer together, humidity goes up too. If the dew point and the temperature are the same, humidity's at 100%. See, breaking down those big concepts into bite-sized chunks. And we could see some fog tomorrow morning in our valley cities as a result of that higher humidity. Same deal for Sunday morning. Could be a bit of fog, but it should burn off pretty quickly. Winds are now less than 10 everywhere except State College, where they're sustained at 10. But look at those wind gusts, up to near 35 miles per hour in both Williamsport and Wellsboro. Tomorrow we'll have gusts similar, but they die back for Father's Day. Temperatures today slightly below average. We got up to 82 in Williamsport, 80s for Selinsgrove, 78 in Scranton. That puts us 3 degrees below average. And we had a few showers peppering our skies. There's a look at the past 6 hours on satellite and radar. That was lake effect enhanced. Now, we always talk about lake effect snow, but when you have winds blowing over a really long area of water, the air can pick up enough moisture to cause evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. So we did see a few of those showers straggling into central and northeastern Pennsylvania. Same deal for tomorrow as this low pressure system starts to encounter more stable air, but some of those lake effect showers could persist in central Pennsylvania tomorrow. Here's how I see it. We'll be clear tonight, maybe just a bit of fog in our valleys. Tomorrow morning looks great, stellar. Sunshine, low humidity. But in the afternoon, a passing shower possible. Clinton, Lycoming, Cotter, Tioga, parts of Union and Snyder counties. Most of these showers don't make their way as far east as Pike and Wayne. I think you have a 100% chance of sunshine tomorrow if you live in eastern Pennsylvania. If you live in central PA, 10 to 20% chance of rain showers between 3 and 8. But still, that's a pretty minimal chance. It's going to be a really, really nice day for Saturday. Then Sunday, again, a chance for some morning fog, then breaking out to sunshine, and I don't see any risk for lake effect showers because the winds die back. So when there's not enough strong winds blowing, can't get that moisture far enough away from the lakes, and I don't think it'll encounter or impact our weather, rather. Now Monday, changes come. Widespread rainfall expected late morning into late afternoon, but the weekend looks great, and that's what matters. Going into the overnight, winds die back, but watch what happens tomorrow afternoon. Again, sustained 25 to 30 miles per hour. Then they really dwindle overnight, Saturday and a Sunday. That's why there could be a bit of fog. When you have low winds and high humidity, the fog can persist in our valleys. Remember, if you're going out to any water parks, Kirby Park, going to the pool, UV index is either 9 or 10, so burn time 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure you have all the accessories to keep yourself safe and try to find shade when you can. Here's another look at your weekend, both days featuring temperatures right around the 80-degree mark. For the first day of summer, which also coincides with Father's Day, things look great and those winds die back, which will be nice. And look at what else we're enjoying. Really low humidity, both Saturday and Friday. Sunday morning, low humidity, but by Monday, we're seeing the rise. Showers pretty widespread. They don't last long. Tuesday, we're back to sunshine, breezy conditions. Some scattered shower activity midweek through late week next week, but it doesn't look like washouts. Scattered. So great first week of summer with comfortable temperatures, no big swings, no big 90s. It's going to be really nice.
You had me at hello.
Yeah, happy Father's Day to you, Scott.
Thank you, Jeremy. Have a great weekend.
Thank you.